Hello and welcome to 60 Seconds to Success. My name is Everett Dabler, a learning specialist here at Lehigh Carbon Community College. Today I'm going to talk to you about the concept of chunking. The college students can use chunking throughout their career at many times. It can be done when writing a paper, reading a text, or completing a semester-long project. The concept of chunking is really simple, really. You take a larger assignment and break it down into smaller pieces. For example, let's say you have 100 pages of a novel to read in 6 days. If you commit yourself to reading 25 pages a night for 4 days straight, you can finish that reading ahead of time and be ready to do whatever you want to do and maybe have fun with your friends. You have a 10-page paper. If you chunk out when you're going to do the research, when you're going to write certain sections, again, it makes your time management for that paper much easier. So you get your time with your friends, you get time to have fun, and you have less stress. Looks like I'm almost out of time. If you have questions about educational support services, you can scan the QR code above, and have a good day, and thank you for watching.